everyone. Last class I have completed exercise 2 of decimal chapter. So today we will I have left out one question number 4D. You need to do what? You have to write that one in a fractional and decimal expanded form. So for that reason you need to convert this one in first decimal place, and then decimal, when you convert it, then only you can do the fractional and the expanded decimal expanded form. So let us go to the, I have already completed it. So I have done that one. So 23,567 divided by 1000. So you can skip this step if you know it very easily. 23.567 like that also you can do, or you can do convert that one in fraction. So 23 divide into 1000 is 23,000 plus 567, it will be 23,567 divided by 1000. Then you write the number as 3 zeros is there, before 3 numbers you need to put a point. So it is 23.567. Now you have to do the fractional expansion. How will you do? So this one is tens place, right? So it will be 2 tens, that means 20 plus 3 plus 5 tenth. It is in 5 tenth position. So 5 by 10. So this is in 100 position, 600. So 6 by 100. As we all know, after decimal it decreases 10 times, right? Plus 7 by 1000. So 20 will be same, 3 will be same. This one, this whatever you have got, that is the fractional expansion. So this one is the decimal expansion. So how to do? After 5 by 10 you convert this. So 5 you put as 10 is there before one number, then you put 6 as two numbers are there. So you cannot put 0 after this number, then it will be, I will tell you why. So you have to put before the decimal number. Okay, you need to put before this number 0. So when you put 0 here, so two numbers, two decimal place, it will be 1 2. So before two numbers here. So like that, you in case of 7 also you see. So 0.007 as 30 is here, before three numbers you need to put. You cannot put after 7. If you put a 0, it will have it will be same. So I will tell you why. So let us go to the exercise number equivalent decimal, which is an important concept. You see 5 tenths, 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5. So 50 100 means 50 by 100 means 0.50. 500,000 means 500 divided by 1000, which is 0.500. So all this 0.5, 0.50, 0.500 are all equal. So these are known as equivalent fraction. So when you put zeros at the end of a decimal number, does not change its value. That means if you put, after this is the decimal number, after this if you put 0, how much 0 you want to put, its value will be same. So if you put, you see 0.5 is, if you put after 5, if you put the 10 zeros also, it will be equal. 0.5000, how much you put, it will be equal to 0.5 only. So these type of decimals are known as equivalent decimals. Now there is two more concept, that is like and unlike decimals. Like decimals means what? So when after the number, it should have the same number of decimal places. These are known as like decimal. Decimal with different number of decimal places, they are known as unlike decimal. Like you see for this example, 2.5, 0.8, 10.6, they have one decimal place. You see one number after the point, one digit only after the point, that means one decimal place. So they are known as like decimal place. Similarly, in case of here, you will have two decimal place after the point. You see 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. You see, so these are like decimals. So how will you convert? These decimals have different decimal places. So, but in case of this number, you see this is an unlike decimal. Why? Because this is one decimal place, this is two decimal place, this is three decimal place. So this is an unlike decimal. So you got it, what is like decimal? If they have same decimal place, that is a like decimal, and if they have different decimal, you have, that is known as unlike decimal. So how will you convert an unlike decimal to like decimal? Simple, you put zeros, you make it equivalent. Okay, you put zeros because after any number, decimal number, if you put how many zeros, it will be same. So like this, if you see 2.3, 15.08, 0.54, 5454 is given. So this is one decimal place, this is two decimal place, this is three decimal. How will you convert that one? This is an unlike decimal, right? So you need to convert that one in like decimal. That means after it should have, so you need to see the highest one. Let us go to exercise 3. So in exercise 3, if you see, you have to write the equivalent fraction. So it's not equivalent fraction, it should be actually equivalent decimal. So okay, so you write this one, this is equivalent decimals you have to write. Okay, so I'm writing only decimals. Okay, how will you do? So 1.2 is equal to 1 point. So after the decimal number, you can put how many zeros. How many zeros it will, the value will be same. That one you have already learned. So those are equivalent decimals. So 1.2 is equal to 1.20, which is equal to 1.200. 10.01, if you put 0 after this, also like that you can write many equivalent decimal. Okay, 0.90, 0.900, it is 0.900. How much zero you put after, it will, the value will be same, it will be 0.9 only. 0.90, 0.900, 0.900, it means 0.9 only. So this is one answer. Now go to the next question. Put a tick on the like decimal. So when it will be like decimal, when uh, they have the same decimal place. So you can see in case of here 2 decimal place, here also 2 decimal place, so it is a like decimal, you give a tick. In case of B, you see it's not a, why it's not a like decimal, it's an unlike decimal, because it has 2 decimal place but here 3 decimal place. But in this question you see after this one 3 numbers are there, that means 3 decimal place, this is also 3 decimal place, so it is an like decimal. Now question number next you have to do is change into like decimal. The first question you see 0.8 and then 9.09. So it's very simple, that means you have to convert into this is an unlike decimal and you need to convert it one like. How will you do? So 0.80, okay, put 0 after it, so it will, the value will be same. You have to, your first aim is to convert that one in like decimal, so just put a 0. So now it is equal, I think 2 decimal place, 2 decimal place. In case of question number 3, I am doing 2.3, 2.03 to 20.003. So highest decimal place is 3. So you need to convert all one into 3 decimal place. So how will you do? By putting zeros. 2.300, 2 zeros if you put, it will be then 3 decimal place. So after this one, if you put a 1 0, that means it will be a 3 decimal place. This is so 2.300, 2.030, 20.03. So all have 3 decimal place. So this way your exercise 3 completed, equivalent decimals, like decimals and unlike decimals. Next class I will tell you about comparing and ordering decimals. Thank you for watching.